everyone, and back to the channel after a very long time. Greetings from a rainy, cold, gloomy day in Quebec City, and it's just day 2, rather day 1 in terms of travel, because I came yesterday, but it was just a rest day because it was an early start, so I was more or less resting. But today we are out and about exploring the city, and I'm joined with a very special guest on the vlog today. Say hello.
Hi.
भाई वो थोड़ा तो फ्रेंच में ग्रीटिंग दो ना थोड़ा.
Okay, bonjour, bienvenue à Québec.
Très magnifique. सही बोला मैंने?
That is good one. That is
है ना?
correct. Yeah.
इतना याद है यार मुझे. थोड़ा ऐसी बात थोड़ी ना है. 1 to 10 आता है, थोड़े बहुत आते हैं. ऐसी बात नहीं है
You
dude.
have just tweak a little. Say c'est magnifique.
सेम से और थ्रे में क्या डिफरेंस है? थ्रे तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा कि बहुत बढ़िया.
It is magnifique.
हाँ.
Say is very.
से इज
It
मतलब
is.
इट्स मैग्निफिक. अच्छा नहीं मैं बहुत हूँ ना मैं. बहुत बढ़िया.
Telmo.
तेलमो क्या होता है?
Extremely good.
Okay. Cool. So today the plan is we're gonna walk around the streets
You
and
Galet? Oh, you have your auto.
no. तो निशान प्लीज हमारे दर्शकों को बताएं हम आज कहाँ जा रहे हैं.
So we'll go to Chateau. We'll go to.
Which is the most iconic hotel and a castle like hotel.
Yeah, you have that,
मतलब-
and then you also have the option to go around and visit some
हाँ. Spots.
photogenic spots.
Right.
You will
Being the
have,
Instagram influencer that I am, I
yes,
have to get some pictures.
and you will also have option to
हाँ.
to look for the French vibes of the architecture.
Which I
and
can
the
already feel
streets.
क्योंकि ये काफ़ी मेरे को रोड अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे pillars, posts, lights काफ़ी.
Yeah.
This place feels a lot like Montreal.
Exactly.
हाँ.
that's
This
the thing.
street.
Because you have these sections in
हाँ.
the city wherein you can just travel and you can explore.
हाँ.
There will be a lot of restaurants you can see around.
Right.
It's pretty much French influence and Lebanese. You'll get some kind of Indian restaurants, but very less, of course, because the population is not there.
Right.
Otherwise, you have plenty options. American food. So you'll have one possible option if you want to eat.
ये
over
क्या
here.
है? Iglesia de Scientology.
Eglise means church.
अच्छा ये वो है टॉम क्रूज वाला चर्च ऑफ साइंटोलॉजी.
Yeah.
ओह शिट यहाँ पे है. ब्रो जा सकते हैं इसके अंदर देखने क्या चीज़ है. बट ऐसे
क्या है?
पकड़ के धर्म परिवर्तन तो नहीं कर देंगे. साइंटोलॉजी तो नहीं बना देंगे. बट आई एम रियली क्यूरियस. आई वांट टू सी व्हाट इट इज अबाउट.
We can do that. Maybe later.
But you know about this, no? That Tom Cruise is one of the most famous followers of
I'm not.
Scientology. You know what it is, right?
I'm not really aware.
So basically, it's a modern age it's a modern age cult religion kind of a thing. And ये लोग मानते हैं कि बाकी कुछ नहीं होता बस साइंस ही धर्म है.
Okay.
So fanatics about science and that kind of a thing.
Okay.
So would have been really nice had it been sunny, bright. It was when I came yesterday. It was very bright, but suddenly it changed for the worse. So काफ़ी बारिश होगी कल शाम को and it was really sad. But it's okay. We still had fun. तो आज we are out and about. तो let's see what happens. फिलहाल तो it's drizzling. It's slightly windy, but it's okay. It is what it is. Tomorrow is supposed to be sunny, Sunday. So we're gonna be exploring things tomorrow also. तो कल मजा आएगा. हाँ.
We do expect some.
Yeah, we do expect that tomorrow as per the weather app.
Better.
So let's see. But yeah, if you can see this place, I went to Montreal a year and a half back. This street is very much like the old Montreal part, or as we say in French, VI Montreal or VI Quebec. I'm learning. Nishant is teaching me French phrases and terminologies, so I'm practicing. तो ये काफ़ी वैसी वाली जगह है, very old. La Coupe d'Yoga. So very French vibes, pillars. I really like these old school red brick buildings. I've always liked these kind of things.
Yeah, that is there. Saint Joseph is the road name. Saint Joseph Est.
ये क्या है? Italian restaurant.
Italian pizza biscuit. Come. We can take a. Yeah, we can take a right from there, and we'll go. In the same way, you will get a street called as Uville, Place de Uville, which is totally a street of restaurants, a street of
Food and cafes.
Yeah, it's a very interesting looking place. You're gonna have restaurants. You can get your paintings and script and sketches done as well.
Oh wow.
You can.
Yeah, I'll try that. वो मुझे देखना है.
You can have.
पेरिस में भी बहुत होता है, पेरिस में भी है, रोम में भी मैंने वो सब बड़ा देखा है। अभी हम जा कर रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली? अच्छा शातो जा रहे हैं। ओनीबा मतलब? लेट्स गो। ओनीबा, ये तो जापानीज टर्म लगता है भाई, ओनीबा। मतलब इट साउंड्स लाइक दैट डूड।
ओनीबा we'll go मतलब typical translation हमें लेफ्ट से आना चाहिए।
VI Quebec।
VI
VI
हाँ
VI Quebec। मैक्सिमम 30 सेक्टर। मैक्सिमम सही बोला मैंने यार,
maximum
मैंने भी वही बोला, मैक्सिमम।
touch the word as well as you can। आजा
Yeah. See, I don't mind walking if it was sunny, but ऐसे gloomy weather में ना चलने में बड़ा मौत आती है यार, पता है?
you have to keep yourself happy।
वाह।
Okay, there is a saying in French, le bonheur c'est une compétence interne।
मतलब खुशी तुम्हारे अंदर है, happiness is inside you।
Internal thing to
हाँ,
search।
क्या बात है।
That people can change you, influence you।
प्रवचन from बाबा निशांत।
No, it's a very French influence।
अच्छा।
But I just follow them। Yo,
राइट।
तो देख ले ऐसे चोंच सी बिल्डिंग होती है, दो सड़कें जा रही होती हैं, ठीक है?
हाँ।
रोमन इज वेरी राउंडिश स्टाइल। तो रोमन बिलीव्स इन वेरी एग्जैगरेटेड थिंग्स टू डू।
हाँ,
वो डिफरेंस है।
ये शॉर्टकट है क्या?
ऐसा दिख रही है
पेडेस्ट्रियन पाथ मतलब
जब बाहर चढ़ने के
इट्स लाइक अ ट्रेल। ओह नाइस।
Yeah, because you will pretty अपना Wood du Palais। No, don't ask me the meaning of this। क्या कोई नहीं आएगा? सड़क ही नहीं आगे?
वही मैं सही कह रहा हूँ।
और कौन आएगा?
These must be very old buildings.
Yeah,
Minimum, I would say 100 years old.
obviously। More than that।
दरवाज़ा और वो लुक डिज़ाइन देख के लग रहा है।
See, this is all like this history that they are covering it।
Even this is this a fort or something or like a
पहाड़ है ये।
नहीं this thing on top, this
हाँ ये पहाड़ है, ये बिल्डिंग्स है। I think this is
looks like a fort.
no, this is what do you call that? This should have been a fort in the past,
Maybe.
but I think this is मतलब residential area now।
हाँ।
ये exactly क्या है वो तो ऊपर देख लेते हैं। राइट में मुड़ो, अभी नहीं देख। मुड़ जा। ठीक है, आइसक्रीम खानी है?
चलो,
लेफ्ट में घुस जा।
बढ़िया जगह है ये।
आइसक्रीम सारी बढ़िया है।
मेरे साथ भी हो रहा था।
Yeah, do something else with
Oh, these all gelato, nice. Love it. Mix लेते हैं, a mix of something and something.
वो रहता साइड में संडेज है वहाँ पर गोल वो स्कूप में है,
हाँ,
ठीक है?
नहीं
1 scoop 2 scoop ऐसे लिखा है इंग्लिश फ्रेंच में।
हम लेंगे 2 scoop in a cup.
Yeah.
मैं लूँगा, तुम।
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ben, est-ce qu'on a le choix de regarder dans le petit bol, les deux boules?
De boule, oui, bien sûr.
Ben oui, pour monsieur, c'est quelle taille?
Deux boules.
Medium, sont arabiques.
Medium.
Le moyen?
Deux boules.
Oui, 2 boules au moyen, oui.
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez
Laquelle
manger?
vous voulez?
आज हम चॉकलेट के साथ क्या रेकमेंड करेंगे?
Quelle est votre recommandation? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez proposer avec
One
le
scoop.
chocolat?
Avec le chocolat,
Oui.
Moi, j'irais soit avec l'Oreo, soit avec le praliné.
Praliné, this one. And chocolat
Okay.
is that one, no?
Oui.
Chocolat, c'est là, le troisième.
Voilà, là, ou bien l'incontournable, c'est le noix de coco.
Ok,
évidemment,
le
mais-
tiramisu.
Okay, let's have one chocolate, one tiramisu, one slow chocolate.
Ben, on va
Ça
faire
fait un tiramisu.
le... Ouais, c'est bon.
Merci. Still learning.
Cotton candy, okay.
तू क्या लेगा?
This is what I'm looking for.
So we are back. Not we are back. We were already there. So we are walking around the Chateau area, and yeah, very French, very Parisian vibes in terms of the architecture, in terms of the arches, the buildings. Very similar to Paris or even the buildings of Montreal. So बिल्कुल वैसी वाली feel है. Give me a second. I'll just flip the camera and show you what I'm talking about. The streets. If you see, you know, those kind of arched windows, colored things. एक second, Nishant. Keep telling me what is this. This is like post office?
This is the view
Head.
of the post. There is post office.
Head post office.
Yeah, and this is Chateau.
Oh bro, this is the
Yeah.
nice.
So we have the
We'll go
place-
back up na later.
So we can go up abhi and
हाँ.
बाद में we can go down. Because down जाके फिर बहुत down हो रहेगा.
तो ठीक है. So let's go
So
up
we go
पूरा
up.
गली.
आजा.
यार, I really want to find that street, bro. And what is that lake in the front? Lake में भी घूम के आएंगे ना?
That's the river.
हाँ, अच्छा घूम के आएंगे, right?
Yeah, we'll go up only अभी के लिए.
हाँ.
And then we'll go back.
When we come back, we'll just relax here. We'll sit and cool.
So you will see this. Now this is something like a French way technically.
हाँ.
Because of the sculptures you see, but those photos there there is more of like a Roman style,
Agreed.
because these were the ones which I've seen in Italy and Rome as well.
क्या नाम था इस river का? Once again, tell me.
I don't know the name of the river, but this is the
Okay.
Montreal river which goes to Montreal.
Oh, this goes. Oh,
Yeah, this is
the same one.
Yeah, and the वहाँ पर is Levy.
Very pretty. यार, I wish it was sunny and bright. काफी मजा आता है. ये ferry public के लिए it's like a ferry ride.
Yeah.
And कहाँ तक घुमाती है?
It goes to Levy and come back.
Levy is the university.
No, it's island. सामने वाला island. That piece of land is Levy.
तो हम
Laval है.
अच्छा यहाँ कब जाएंगे हम फिर? जा सकते हैं?
यहाँ जाने की तो जैसे ग्रिड है नहीं.
अच्छा.
You can see it.
But इसे जाके उतार देती है लेवी में and you
Yeah.
can do whatever. So oh,
Yeah.
it's like a small. It's not part of
Quebec.
city.
No. ये लेवी है और वो इल d'Orléans है. तो
Beautiful.
वो जो वो जो ब्रिज दिख रहे हैं? That ब्रिज से लेफ्ट में जो आप देखोगे ना वहाँ पर
हाँ.
है वाटरफॉल. ये पहाड़ी के पीछे की तरफ. It's like this. That is waterfall. वहाँ से ब्रिज है. वहाँ से ऑर्लेंड में घुसोगा और
हाँ.
इस कोने में जो यहाँ से दिख रहा है सामने वहाँ पर आइसक्रीम पार्लर है, चॉकलेट शॉप्स है.
Oh nice.
वैसे है.
So I did not know this. That apparently is not. But unless you don't know the geography, मतलब, then you would not know. But yeah, it's a separate part. It's a different island called Levy, and you can actually take a ferry and go there. But it's not part of geographically a part of Quebec City. I don't know if it's visible today, whatever I'm showing clearly, because it's very cloudy. The visibility is not that great, but yeah, can't do much about it. But it is. But again, this place where I am right now, it's so pretty, very I don't know the right word. It's very European, obviously, because of the vibes. But yeah, this is what I'm showing you. This is the famous Chateau Hotel. It's owned by the Fairmont Group, one of the most iconic places and the symbols of Quebec City. I feel हर जगह यही होता है. If you see any postcard, any image, any Instagram post, this thing is there. It's one of the most fanciest of hotels. Yeah, but I think I will stay here just for the experience. I'm sure it's a very expensive hotel, but coming from a hospitality background, I'm always amazed and very fascinated by iconic and hotels which have a legacy of their own. So would love to come back and stay sometime, just for the sake of you know, that heritage feeling and such an iconic building. As you can see, this place is full of people, very touristy. So since yesterday, and I was telling this to my friend, कि यहाँ पे बिल्कुल Indians नहीं दिख रहे, very few Indians. In fact, जब मैं airport से आया, you know, I was staying with my friend. कोई इंडियंस नहीं थे मुझे पूरा से. नाउ यहाँ पे इंडियंस तो क्या पंजाबी गुजराती हर कोई दिख रहा है मुझे भर भर के. सो इट्स अ वेरी टूरिस्टी प्लेस. भर भर के लोग दिख रहे हैं. पीपल टेकिंग पिक्चर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. वेरी वेरी busy area, but very pretty though, so I don't blame people. I'm one of them, so very nice. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but there's this saxophone player right under that monument. बढ़िया एकदम Parisian French music बजा रहा है. It's adding to the vibes. Bro कल भी एक बार आएंगे ठीक है धूप में अगर if we get time amongst other things. Otherwise मैं मंडे को अकेले आ जाऊँगा because we want to see the.
You have to go to other destination tomorrow.
हाँ तो कल नहीं होगा. मैं मंडे आ जाऊँगा एक बार
I will see.
just to see the sunny vibes. या तो मंडे जल्दी काम स्टार्ट करके जल्दी लॉग आउट कर लेना.
I cannot do that.
Oh.
It's a couple of training.
It's a fixed. Oh, you have trainings.
Yeah.
That's okay. I'll come back. तो उस दिन ट्रेनिंग कर लेना. मैं सुबह अपना इधर उधर घूम लूँगा. शाम को we'll go out for dinner and everything.
8:30 free हो जाऊँगा.
What did you say must be the base category rate in this one? $300 base category single occupancy.
I think $175 or $200.
Bro ये तो काफ़ी सस्ता है. मैं सोचा 300-350. ये तो फिर काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल है. 170 तो क्या ही है. It's like less than base category of an Indian hotel. अपने ITC का कम ज़्यादा था यार base category.
You're comparing with the wrong city also, no?
I know, but for a place like this, for a iconic hotel which is literally the symbol of the city, I feel $170, even 200 भी अगर लगा लो, तो भैया बहुत affordable है.
हाँ तो basically
क्या रेट दिखा रहा है?
540.
540 हाँ तो
Yeah, for 2 people.
तो सिंगल डबल सेम रेट है.
Yeah, it's 540
हाँ.
and for 4 people is 675.
तब तो फिर दो के साथ ही रहो ना. फिर तुम स्प्लिट कर सकते हो. अकेले 540 का मतलब नहीं बनता.
But it's, I feel that.
But yeah, I feel if you're coming here for a longer period, like let's say in my case,
Come
4 or
to
5.
eat, not to
Yeah,
stay.
yeah. Also, let's say if I was not staying with you, if I was staying outside, I would at least stay for a night just for the experience sake here, just to soak in.
ऐसा छाप रहे हो तो खर्चे में.
नहीं छापने वाली बात नहीं, वो तो experience.
Rich people from Toronto.
Not really. I wish.
वैसे भी over.
So I'm gonna take a break again and get some pictures. I'll be back. बट ये काफ़ी है. इनफैक्ट ऐसे रास्ते तो फ्रेंच. हाँ ओहो मिस कर दिया मैंने.
क्या कह रहे हो बोलो.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ऐसे रास्ते तो पेरिस में भी नहीं है.
Yeah, of course. That is nice. Quebec.
क्वेबेक.
Quebec.
क्वेबेक.
Quebec.
भी आई है क्वेबेक.
VI.
सही तो बोला है मैंने.
इतना कुछ नहीं करना होता. आराम से बोलो.
भी आई है.
हाँ VI.
भी आई क्वेबेक.
See, right now you're speaking word for word. That is why it is getting a little difficult. ये है. Hey.
Hello, day 3. Welcome back to the channel. निशांत आनंद. कैसा लग रहा है आपको मेरे चैनल पे आके?
Bonjour. बहुत ही बढ़िया.
Bonjour.
It's great. It's great.
I'm so happy. Weather is so good today. Bright, sunny, warm. I wish कल भी yesterday was like this, but it's okay. टिकट काटनी पड़ती है यहाँ पे.
I don't think so.
तो ऐसे भीड़ क्यों है?
I think so probably because.
भीड़ तो होगी. मैंने पैसे कैसे कमाएंगे? तभी तो लाइन अप है. So I feel there's a line up.
I don't know. You can come and friends.
Okay, so we are finally in. We're going to the very exciting, very famous Montmorency Falls. तो थोड़ा issue हो गया था. I won't say issue, but very weird. So they had a check-in counter where you're supposed to buy tickets. Now, obviously, if you're buying online tickets, you're supposed to show it and bypass the actual line who are buying the tickets. But that didn't happen. We still had to be in the line, and thankfully, Nishant had a local PR card, obviously. So we could buy the local tickets. तो हो गया वो sorted. Chalo, good.
Now we'll just go around this place. You have to walk a little bit and you will see the waterfalls from that side. So you have to
तो लोग उधर क्यों जा रहे हैं? What is that side?
It's parking for the buses.
Ah,
Yeah,
so this is
it's
the
a
only
parking
entry.
area. This is the only entry. Correct. It just parks around. It's a pretty. I mean, it's a hotel kind of a thing, but you can just use washrooms and something.
Eat also.
Kind
sure.
of, yeah. Yeah, of course.
Dude, I'm loving it. Yeah.
And now you'll see the actual thing.
Oh yeah, it's so nice that
Wo
that's a
hai-
river, na?
Yeah, that is the river and that is the bridge to L'Île d'Orcan, where we'll go for ice cream salon. Which is one of the
Love it.
most classy places of Quebec City actually.
I'm so glad we're coming here today with this weather.
Man, you
अगर
have
यहाँ पे हम
one-
कल आए होते, it would have been a flop show.
I know, I know.
तेरे को पता है? I'm so sorry. Nishant, you know what this place reminds me of? This place reminds me of 12 Apostles. I was telling you na, in the morning. Australia में.
I was
So
thinking
उसका
the same,
entrance
yeah.
exactly ऐसा है. It's
So you
similar
see this?
staircase and it's like a curve kind of a thing.
So I just
Wow.
ça, la Montana, Noir.
Wow.
We're gonna go above from that line, so we can travel, and maybe we can go down from there.
So
as well
it's
if
not
you want.
visible, but that's the Mount Montmorency Falls. That's the river.
On the left, you see.
Oh damn, that's. Or I read somewhere this is higher than Niagara Falls also. Apparently, I read it somewhere.
Okay, I'm not. Really
So
sure
it's
about
more like I wouldn't say powerful, but you know what I mean, like more force
that. Yeah,
and
possibly.
higher than Niagara.
Yeah.
So that's Mount Montmorency Falls, which is one of the major highlights of Quebec City. What is that? That staircase, that thing?
We can go up and we can go down from that side. It's
We'll
a
go?
whole turn.
We'll
yeah,
go?
it's like a U-turn. Yeah, we can if you want to walk so much.
Why not? But हाँ बस वापस आते वक्त थोड़ी फट जाएगी, but I'm up for it if you're up for it.
I don't know, but there are a lot of staircases, huh? Like 100 or 1000 staircases maybe.
देखते हैं. Let's see how much. यार ये क्या है?
Yeah, the signages actually they had put in earlier.
हाँ.
So volume speaker होगा, I think इसके अंदर.
Okay, so they'll
There are
guide you.
some- Yeah, kind of. I know, Sipa view. So this is very calm. There's going to be one point there, which is a U point where you can go and click pictures. So
हाँ.
be very safe with your products if you're holding it.
जी.
Okay. And we will be passing through this bridge, which is an amazing experience, to be honest, to be here.
भाई this river is so big. कल हम जब शातो गए थे वहाँ से इसका scale पता नहीं लग रहा था.
Exactly.
But it's massive. What is it called again? What's the name you said?
Sure, I will check the name for this.
You can see, guys, that's the river which kind of runs through Quebec City and goes all the way to Montreal. Beautiful, the scale and size of this river, and this whole thing is massive.
So Lawrence. Saint Lawrence. Saint Lawrence.
And it's the same one which goes to Montreal also.
Yeah.
And it's called the same thing there as well.
So you're gonna see that it only. And it's pretty beautiful. If you go up the area, na,
Yeah.
there's a whole bridge where you can walk across,
Beautiful.
and that is amazing to see around. Pretty green, waterfall noise, and this essence of being close to water. You're gonna see sprinkles of water and stuff. It's really beautiful.
I love places like these, with water and nature and waterfalls. So जब मैं बाली भी गया था ना, there were lots of places like these.
A little windy close to it, because water will go on your face.
That's okay. I don't mind.
Yeah, but just straight we have to go. See the way they have managed it. They've got the parking, they've got the entry down.
Oh yeah.
And it's now pretty safe because they know how many people.
तो लोग
are
नीचे से भी आ सकते हैं.
coming. Yeah, but then the entry goes there only. So yeah. I don't know if that is that cool for me.
Beautiful, yeah. I love the sound of the waterfall.
Yeah. And I will go above the Robert Place, which is a bridge there. Then you can see the entire city around. See, this is what they were talking to do. But it is pretty
Zip
much
lining.
like,
Yeah.
but
yeah.
it's pretty much like
It's a long waiting, and I think to do things like this, you need to come with the mindset of bag लेके, you need to wear appropriate clothing. मेरे को थोड़ा वो हाँ
go down here.
Excuse me, sir. Takes you needs to be. So now we are further hiking up, going around the waterfall. Apparently there are many more other viewpoints like this, and if there's still time and if my strength and energy stays, we'll go down the falls. There's this massive staircase which leads down due to the falls. There's about 1,000 odd steps, so let's see if I still have the energy. But yeah, so far so good, very beautiful. कहाँ चला गया निशांत? Okay, now we are going where?
This is the top of the waterfall, which you can go and visit and click some pictures.
Oh wow! Okay, so this is where the waterfall originates. I don't know if my voice is audible, but I'll still try to kind of say a few things. Beautiful. Damn. So this is where the waterfall starts, and yeah, this is where the magic happens.
See the city from here. It's so calm, beautiful river.
मकड़ी का जा रहा था.
Yeah, you'll find that. Yeah. Don't touch the part directly.
Beautiful view, loving it, love the weather, love the light. Couldn't have had a better day to visit Montmorency Falls. बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है, too good. I wish I could stay here for a while, but it's getting crowded, so I'm gonna go ahead and explore other viewpoints. Or you can see you can also do zip lining if you see that person, so you can actually pretty much go over the falls. Very exciting, but yeah, not my thing. Okay, now we're going to the other side. भीड़ बहुत ज़्यादा है. यहाँ से देखो तो लगता है कितना शांत है ना, पानी कितना क्लियर है. Wow, this is where the waterfall starts. Look at the strength and the pressure of the water. मोंटमोरेंसी फॉल्स कम लक्ष्मण झूला ज़्यादा लग रहा है. इंडियन तो बहुत जा रहे हैं भाई.
It's moving also.
या साइड में आ जा, मेरे लेफ्ट में आ जा. So that was Montmorency Falls. Very pretty. मज़ा आ गया. We're not going down because ज़्यादा point नहीं है. एक बात बता, ये जो वो रास्ता है वो किधर जाता है? That road. Where does that go?
This road? Oh, that road, bridge.
ये जो रास्ता आगे आगे जा रहा है.
Nothing, you have to return back.
अच्छा, it doesn't open up into anything.
No, it doesn't need to be there. You have to come back from there. Otherwise, यहाँ से भी have to go. It's a different road actually.
हाँ.
You have to take a.
अच्छा, बस वॉक कर सकते हैं, दोबारा चढ़ के वापस आओ.
exactly.
अच्छा, वहाँ से एग्जिट नहीं है कोई.
No.
अच्छा, इधर जैसे पार्किंग, वहाँ से गाड़ी लेके निकल जाओ.
No. Parking is above itself.
Alright, so that was Montmorency Falls. ज़्यादा कुछ देखने को है नहीं. I don't know if my audio is clear with all this water ka noise. I think what made it more special was that the weather was very nice, very clear, so we could enjoy it even more. Yesterday when we were out, it was very cloudy. It was drizzling throughout the day. Had we come here yesterday, it would have been a very flop show. Good stuff. बहुत बढ़िया है जी. यहाँ पे तो आई थिंक कभी कभी आके यू कैन डू पिकनिक्स एंड ऑल ऑल्सो इफ दे अलाउ. आई डोंट नो. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू अनदर व्यू पॉइंट. नाइस. The stairs are a little steep, so I have to be careful. अच्छा, ये वही है ना, ये तो हम गए थे जिस पे. तो पहली बार आए यहाँ पे फिर?
Second time. I came with Swad actually, the NGO which was about
Okay.
to get us familiar with the city.
But beautiful यार.
That is why I was not aware कि ticket even entry की भी है.
I think as a place, this is something कि जो यहाँ के locals हैं, they can come on a Sunday also. मतलब ऐसा कुछ, I mean obviously you can't appreciate the falls again and again the way you will do the first time. But आप पिकनिक के लिए आ सकते हो. बहुत ही. एंड इवन जब जिस जगह पे हमने बैग रखे हुए थे अभी जहाँ फोड़ रहे थे, वहाँ पे तुम चद्दर वद्दर बिछा के बैठ जाओ यार.
The whole park is there. अब भी पहाड़ के ऊपर पहाड़ की है पूरा. चलते रहते चलने घूमने. Otherwise people try to go there as well. जहाँ हम जाएंगे अभी. Again really soothing, very peaceful actually. Very good यार.
आता है भाई मुझे छोटी छोटी से. बोल तो रहा हूँ मैं हाफ A2 हूँ भाई. सॉरी A2 नहीं, हाफ A1. डेढ़ A1 हूँ मैं. डेढ़. पति शोविक avec Toronto, avec very less argent.
Oui, les personnes riches de Toronto, voilà. Less l'argent.
Okay, going back now, and we're headed to an island called Orléans, or in English the spelling is Orleans, like New Orleans, but यहाँ पे Orléans बोलते हैं. So we're going to Orléans. Yeah. I hope you guys are watching this vlog today. I hope you're watching. Would have liked the falls as much as I did. भाई मज़ा आया तुम्हें निशांत? फॉल्स देख के मैं तो रिफ्रेश हो गया हूँ. Anything to do with water ना मेरा.
The day is good. We can enjoy better.
Anything to do with water, be it waterfalls, lakes, sea, I instantly get refreshed. Even the sound of the water, I'm a complete water baby.
See, we will come with full.
Okay, so I'm gonna switch off now. Cab वैब पकड़ते हैं